Hi everyone, I'm Rachel Akmakjian, jewelry expert at BriteCo. Let me ask you something. Have you ever reached up to your ear and felt nothing? Your stomach drops, you check the floor, you retrace your steps, you panic. Before you assume your earring is gone forever, don't, because today we're walking you through exactly what to do when you lose an earring and how dramatically to increase your chances of getting it back. The first thing you need to do is stop moving. I know that sounds strange, but most earrings are lost because they slip out unnoticed. The more you walk around, the farther it could travel. Freeze, look directly below you, check your clothing, especially scarves, sweaters, cuffs, and collars, then slowly retrace your last 10 to 15 minutes. Most lost earrings are found within a small radius of where they fell, especially if you act quickly. Here's a trick that most people don't know. Turn off the lights, grab your phone flashlight, and shine it low across the floor. Not straight down, but sideways. Why? Because diamonds and metal catch and reflect light. Even tiny studs can reflect light, and when it hits at that angle, this works, especially on hardwood, tile, and even carpet. It's simple, but incredibly effective. If you still haven't found it, think beyond the floor. Check inside your car, seat creases, your bedding and pillows, bathroom sinks and countertops, inside sleeves and coat linings, your shower drain trap. I've seen earrings show up in the most unexpected places, even stuck to handbags or tangled in hair. Sometimes they're closer than you think. If you've searched thoroughly and it's truly gone, here's what's important. Do you have documentation? Appraisal records, photos, receipts? This is where so many people realize they're not prepared. Losing an earring is emotional, especially if it's part of a sentimental or bridal set. And that's exactly why protection matters. Here's how to prevent this in the future. Regularly check your earring backs, especially friction backs. Upgrade to locking backs for valuable pieces and remove earrings before workouts, swimming, or sleeping. Have prongs and settings inspected annually. A 5-minute jewelry check once a year can save you thousands and a lot of stress. You'd be surprised how often earrings fall out simply because the back has worn down over time. It's not dramatic, it's not obvious, it just slowly loosens and one day they're gone. That's why maintenance matters just as much as insurance. At BriteCo, we see this happen more often than you think. The good news, if your jewelry is properly insured, a lost earring doesn't have to be devastating. BriteCo jewelry insurance covers things like accidental loss, including a single missing earring or a pair, and you can get a quote in about 60 seconds. No phone calls, no complicated paperwork, just straightforward protection. If you own jewelry you'd be upset to lose, it's worth checking your coverage. And if this video helped you, comment below and let me know if you've ever lost an earring in a random place. Don't forget to subscribe for more jewelry tips, and I'll see you the next time.